Winter is a magical time to explore new destinations. Imagine cozying up in a charming European cafe, or skiing down a snow-covered mountain. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, winter travel offers something for everyone. However, it's important to prioritize your health while you're on the go. With a few simple tips, you can stay healthy and enjoy every moment of your winter adventures. Traveling can sometimes take a toll on your health. Different climates, new foods, and busy itineraries can disrupt your normal routine. It's easy to get dehydrated when you're constantly on the move, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout your trip. Remember to pack healthy snacks to avoid unhealthy temptations when you're hungry. And don't underestimate the importance of a good night's sleep, even if it means adjusting to a new time zone. One of the most important things you can do is pack a small first aid kit with essentials like pain relievers, bandages, and any personal medications you take. Winter weather can be harsh on your skin, so pack a good moisturizer to prevent dryness and irritation. Don't forget to protect yourself from the sun, even on cloudy days. Apply sunscreen to exposed skin, especially when you're at higher altitudes. By taking a few simple precautions, you can boost your immune system and reduce the risk of getting sick. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially before meals and after using public transportation. If soap and water aren't available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Try to avoid close contact with anyone who appears sick, and don't be afraid to wear a mask in crowded places. Remember, a little planning goes a long way in ensuring a healthy and enjoyable winter getaway.